standard tuning with no capo. I'm going to start the song off with a G major chord. We have the second finger on the low E string at the 3rd fret, the first finger on the 2nd fret at the A string, third finger, 3rd fret at the B, and the pinky finger on the 3rd fret at the high E string, and the G and D strings are open. I'm going to strum down, 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 down. 1, 2, and down, down, down. We're then going to transition to a D major chord. We have the first finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, the third finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and the second finger on the 2nd fret of the high E string, and the D string is also open. And for this one, we're going to strum down, up, and then take the second finger off. This is like a D sus2 chord, and then strum down, up again. So down, up, on, off, off. And we'll then strum up, down, up again. So 3 and 4 and on, off, 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 off. Okay, so slowly from the G is down, 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 up, D, off. 1, 2, and 3 and 4 and down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. And don't forget we're taking that second finger off there. Then we're going to go to an A major chord. I always play this with the 2nd, 3rd and 4th fingers because I find it really difficult to fit the 1st, 2nd and 3rd fingers in the 2nd fret gap there. But however you play your A chord is fine. Just be aware that we are going to take one of the fingers off to go to an A sus2 chord. So make it a fingering that's easy to do that for yourself. So for the A we have the first strum down and then the finger comes off for the second hit down. So 1 and then we're going to strum down, down, up, 1 and 2 and then the 3 is a tied beat, so we don't play that, and then we play up, down, up, down, up, down, up, 3 and 4 and so the A chord, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and or down, 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 up, down, 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 up. One more time. Whole intro the first time through the chord progression is the G, slowly down, 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 up to the D, down, up, down, up, down, up. The second finger coming off after 2 strums there, then to the A chord, down, finger off, down, down, up, down, 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 up. One more time, G, D chord. To the A chord, okay, more up to speed, and one more time. First time through this chord progression we use the same chords but the strumming pattern does change. So for the rest of the song, for the rest of the verses, we're going to go to the G, D, A as normal, but the strumming pattern for the G changes and it's just down, 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 1 and 2 and okay, 1 and 2 and the strumming for the D changes as well. It goes down, down, up, and the finger comes off on the A of 3 there. 1 and down, up, down, off, down, up. So on, off, 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 off. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and okay. So the first bar there slowly. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, off, up, down. And then we'll go to the A chord, and again the rhythm does change here unfortunately, and it's a down, off, so it starts in the same way, 1 and then we have 2 and down, up, down, up, down, down, up, slowly. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and G, D, A. And more up to speed. The chorus section in this song uses a new chord, but the strumming pattern is much more consistent. We're going to start off with an E minor chord. Down, 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 up, 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 down, down. 1 and 9 and 2 and 3 and 4. And we'll move to our G chord. Same again. And to our D chord. And then to the A chord, same strumming again. Down, 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 up, up, down, down. And that's the whole chorus. You may notice if you listen to some of the live versions of the song that every time the A chord is played, it's actually just an A sus2 chord. So if you don't want to have the first A strum coming off to an A sus2, you can just play the A sus2